Today's video is dedicated to your favorite brake check and road rage situations. How often do you see something like this on the road? And how can this be avoided? Write in the comments. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. This arrogant driver became even more unsafe and aggressive by pointing his car forward because I did not give way to him when I clearly had the right of way. In response, I received the usual rebukes, hand waving and finger pointing.
Look, he doesn't even want to talk to me now. Put that phone down.
いやマジでこれゴリゴリじゃん。降りて止めちまえばいいじゃんね。
撮ってるよこの人。トラックじゃねえよ、ダンプだよ。うわ
やべえよこれ。うわやばいゴリゴリいってるゴリゴリいってる。おお逃げたすごいね。これ動いてる。ほらちょっと
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Just a capture of an idiot in a red Jetta. Red car upset since guy in silver car is going 70 in a 55 zone, and he is unable to pass. Once passing, he swerved at silver car and in front slowed down, and brake checked him to an almost stop on the highway.
Fucking stupid. God damn, you shoot my fucking stuff.
Coming down a busy 3-lane road around 6 p.m. in the evening, and a white minivan cuts off a gray minivan, which is hard to tell because of the two cars in the middle lane, but just wait, it's gonna get better. So gray minivan decides to get over a lane. White minivan is pissed, cuts him off, and then we get up to this light here. Gray minivan trying to get over to the right. Let that white minivan know how mad they are. Give them a piece of their mind. So now they're side by side, probably yelling at each other. And then gray minivan decides to give it back, cut off the white minivan, and now they're in the middle lane. I'm coming up on them in the left lane. I decide to hang back a little bit because I don't want to be a part of this. And then white minivan tries to get over left. Gray minivan says no. White minivan goes back. Gray minivan says, I will get into an accident. I will cause an accident before I let you get around me and get away. So they're weaving back and forth between the middle lane and the left lane. I'm just hanging back, giving plenty of following distance, as I should anyways, watching the chaos unfold as it escalates and starts to ramp up. We get up to this red light, and they are pissed. They are trying to get around, switching lanes, NASCAR style. Me and this Prius, we are laughing our heads off because they are so pissed off, so furious at each other. Okay, red light goes away, we get through it, and they are just absolutely trying to brake check each other, trying to cause an accident, trying to get the other one to hit them to say it's their fault. And then we get up on the exit for 95 South on the right. Gray minivan decides to cut all the way over to the right, I guess to get away from white minivan. White minivan follows, tries to cut him off, barely misses the exit. There's a little barrier there. And they give each other...
Driving down Starkey in Largo. I put my blinker on to get into the right turning lane. The car in front of me decides he wants to turn too. I blow my horn to let him know I was there, and he didn't like that at all. He tells me I'm number one twice and tries to turn in front of me. He then cuts a car off and brake checks me. I point to my dash cam. and he then makes a U-turn. In the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. West Jordan, Utah. Looks like the white truck possibly cut off the blue car back there, nearly causing an accident. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.